Hey y'all, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Welcome back to my channel. What's going on, you guys? Okay, today is a special day. Okay, I'm gonna let y'all know why. Today is your girl's birthday. Yes, I am. Can y'all guess how old I am? Can y'all guess how old I am? Now, I know I act ratchet and goofy and silly. I promise y'all I'm gonna grow up one day. One day. But it ain't today, okay? But your girl is 31 years old today. And yes, my number may be getting up there. But I'm still out here looking good. Feeling good, you know. Looking good. Feeling great. Feeling great. Feeling good. How are you? Okay. Yes. Your girl is so excited. Like, I just want to bust out and it's your birthday. It's your birthday. Bad contest. You in first place. You in first place. You in first place. Yes. Y'all, I'm so... First, I got to thank God that I'm alive. I'm able to see 31 years old. I am so thankful to God. Thankful to my family. Thankful to my friends. Thankful for all my supporters. Like, I am feeling good this 31st birthday. My husband is deployed. I got a video rolling out for y'all about that. Y'all know I'm in Kansas. I'm away from my family. I'm away from my friends. But I still got my daughters, you know, and we just gonna make the best of it. Like, I am ready. So thank you, Lord, for allowing me to see 31. Okay, now y'all ready for the real reason why we're here. We got our birthday wig. Damn. Oh, the lighting. I hate when the lighting messes up. There we go. This is the Outre Quick Weave Complete Cap in Brie. Now, I hope that's Brie. Y'all know I get stuff wrong. Okay? But it's not. If not, mind your business. This is the stock card. And I got it in the color 1B. Now, y'all. If y'all been rocking with me for a while with these wigs, y'all know I tried a bang wig and it was like an epic fail, okay? It was like such an epic fail. So I wanted to try it again, you know, to see if we could make it do what it do, baby. All right. Okay. So this is Brie, okay? There's no part at the top. It looks like it's just a closure. I don't like that already. I know real wigs look like I got a part, you know. I know a little something. These are the bangs. The bangs look, they don't look too wiggish. And, you know, it looks like it's layered. It's not like a blunt cut, but we'll see. We have a comb in the front, a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. So we're going to go ahead and do a swap out and see how it goes. All right. Is y'all ready? Let me take this wig off. I'm really feeling this look because it's my birthday. It's my birthday. Hey, go shawty. It's your birthday. We gon' party like it's your birthday. We gon' sip a Bacardi like it's your birthday. Cause you know we don't give up. It's not your birthday. Y'all, I'm so hyped. All right, back to the wig. Yeah. Hey there. Okay. All right. You know what? I'm not even mad at it. G-L-A-M. We flying first class up in the sky, popping champagne. I want to change by the glamorous. Ooh, the flossy, the glamorous. The glamour. Okay. All right, Miss Brie. Brie up, Brie. Y'all know I don't be knowing names of the wigs, but y'all, I mean, she isn't me all the way, but I can get into this though. You know, this, I feel like this is a wig that you You pull out for your man and you try to think that you somebody that you not. Okay? Like, let me, ooh. What you doing, girl, with all that? Ooh, nothing. Like, yo. It's very soft. It's very soft. I did get a little tangles at the end, but that's typical for a synthetic wig. This is synthetic. The hair is really soft. I'm going to stand up so you guys can see how long it is on me. And the last time, and it does cover your eyebrows. So if I would have known that, I wouldn't have did my eyebrows. No, yes, I would have, because I would have had to do it for the first part of the video. But this is how long she is. This is the side. Hey, boo. It's your birthday? What? What you say? What you say? You know how I'm going to get a bag, don't you? You know how I get up mad, don't you? Make your ex want to get it back. It's a fact, say a louder for the girls in the back. Hey, I know how I'm going to get a bag, don't I? Okay, back to the video. Can y'all see it? Can y'all see it? Oh, oh! Backing it up. This video is like really extra. Okay. So far, I like this wig. The best part about this wig is I like the bang. The bang is cute. It's not too thick and it's not blunt. Like, it's cut at like an angle. The hair is really soft. And you know the wig is affordable. Affordable. Okay. Y'all gonna have to excuse me. Like, I'm on one today, okay? It's my birthday. Like, I'm on one, okay? But yes, this is nice, y'all. I like this. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I like it. Like, drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. What? I know a lot of people may not like it because of the top. Most people, they like to have a part, you know. But I'm really feeling this. Like, what? Girl, what? Make your ex want to get it back. It's a fact, say a louder for the girls in the back. Hey. Okay, so yeah, I really like this wig. The link to where I purchased this wig will be listed down in the description box, y'all. I'm feeling this wig. Like, I really like it. Like, I can't wait to take a bunch of selfies and send it to my mans overseas and be like, my name is Delicious. Delicious. But yeah, she is really bringing out like my alter ego. Because y'all know everybody got an alter ego. But yes, I really like it. And I like it more like some behind the back, you know. Let me see. Ooh, yes, I look so sophisticated. Hey, girl. Yes. But yes, y'all, this wig is nice. It is really nice. It's affordable. The hair is really soft. But, you know, over time, it will get tangled. You're going to have to bring it back to life because it is a synthetic wig. The bangs. This is my favorite part of the wig is the bangs. Like, I'm sold because of the bangs. So I'm really feeling this wig, y'all. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. But if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, y'all. It's the big red button down below because I know you see it. As always, I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for supporting me. And hopefully, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.